110, the vehicle looks like it's pulled into the Target shopping center.
In McDonald's right now. Show me your fucking hands, dude! Put the baby down! Put the kid down! Put the kid down! Give us the air. Put the kid down, dude! Put the kid down! Go deployed, dog pit under the truck. Stop, dude! I have a Tango deployment. We're fighting with him right now. I have the kid. Go do work, bud. Okay, go ahead. Here, take this, take this.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! You're gonna get paid! You're gonna get paid! Put your hands behind! Tango! 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 Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
Put your fucking hands behind your back, dude!
Get your hands back now! Have it deployed! Get your hands behind your back now! Hands behind your back, you're gonna get it again! Hands behind your back, you're gonna get it again! You're gonna get it again! Put your hand behind your back! You're gonna get it again! You're gonna get it again! Put your hand behind your back!
Deacon's got the kid.
Hold on! Put your hand behind your back! Your arm comes off! You're gonna get it again! Stop! 747. Roll EMS for a 29 bite.
I deployed mine too, so.
Get a good short time, please. Somebody.
I don't have gloves.